So in our assembly manual, we talk about bracing everything off. So once you start putting your panels up, as you can tell today, it's a pretty windy day. It's a nice day, but it's a little windy. When you're putting up your walls, they feel really strong, and they are. But we just made a sail right here, and this sail is catching wind. So you can see here where we've braced this wall off from the outside. We've got some braces on the inside. That's standard practice. You would do that in stick frame construction as well. You want to make sure that when you get everything level, it's braced off correctly and strongly. Unfortunately, we've had at least 2 customers who had an unexpected big thunderstorm or wind. They did not brace things off, and a portion of their walls ended up over in the yard. Now, luckily the panels are pretty tough and it worked out, but you don't want to do it again. Put it up once, brace it off correctly, and you're going to be just fine.